So how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another episode of Leftover Guys. I'm your host Kyo, and today we're going to do something special for Chinese New Year. And before we do that, please hit the subscribe button. We need your support. It's a hint. You guys get it? No? Okay. We're going to do something savory. We're going to do Bak Kwa, but this time with a twist. We're going to add 2 and 2 together. Pineapple flavored Bak Kwa. You guys might think it's weird. I don't think so. I think it's awesome. And do you know that pineapple actually tenderizes the meat? So Bak Kwa is super expensive at the moment during the Chinese New Year period. So if you want to impress your friends and family, make your own, try out our recipe, and trust me, they'll say, 很好. Without further ado, let's start cooking. You know, there's nowhere else better to cook than your own service yard, man. Finally, guys, Leftover Guys has faced its greatest challenge, and that is Bak Kwa. To be very honest, we had to do a reshoot twice to get it done right, and I'm going to give you guys a few tips of how to get it done right. Number 1, make sure you get fatty pork. Go to your local butcher and ask for 五花肉. 五花肉 has high fat content that's going to gel the Bak Kwa together. So number 2, marination is key to making good Bak Kwa. So make sure you marinate it overnight. Don't trust the recipes that tell you 4 to 6 hours. That's nonsense. You're going to keep it overnight so that the flavors, you know, they're gonna dance with each other all over, you know, have a salsa and, you know, boom, flavor, man. It's like a flavor orgy. Lastly, you gotta get the moisture out of the pork. There's 2 ways of doing it. One, once you spread it out on the baking paper, put it in the fridge for at least an hour to get the moisture out. Number 2, use a hair dryer, blow dry it, and you should be good to go. Importantly, you need to get the moisture out so that when it goes into the oven, you know, it cooks evenly and it's quick as well. So trust my 3 tips and your Bak Kwa will be awesome. So if you guys like this video, do remember to subscribe and watch our other videos like our number 1 hit, 麻辣香锅. Where are you gonna put the video? Like top left? I think here is good. Alright, 麻辣香锅. And we'll catch you guys next time for more Leftover Guys action, man. Till then, stay safe, stay cool.